अमृता परमामृता मालिंगेश्वर चरितामृता अमृता परमामृता मालिंगेश्वर चरितामृता. With the blessings of Lord Malingeshwara, the presiding deity of Malingpur, I, Sanjana from DVVS, bow before the scared Jata of the Lord which has made this land holy and divine. Malingpur, once known as Nalgatti, has transformed into a place of faith, devotion, and traditions to the grace of Malingeshwar. Today, as we recall its history, we are not just remembering a town, but a sacred journey of devotion, miracles, and traditions that continue to inspire generations. Malingpur is a town located in the Bagalkot district of Karnataka. The place has rich cultural and historical background. The town is named after the Lord Mahalingeshwara in the form of Lord Shiva, who is worshipped with a great devotion by the people of this region. This town is especially known for jaggery production and which earned the name Sugar Town of Karnataka. The temple of Mahalingeshwar is one of the ancient and sacred shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. The name Mahalingeshwar itself means the great linga of Lord Shiva.
According to local traditions, an ardent devotee named Appavai played an important role in spreading the devotion of Lord Mahalingeshwara in this region. It is believed that Appavai dedicated her life to Lord Mahalingeshwara. Through her devotion of shrine gained importance and became a holy place for the community. As per local legend, the Lord Mahalingeshwara granted a few strands of his hair to Appavai. These jatas are believed to be self-growing even after being plucked through to be a miraculous continuous growth witnessed year after year. Today, these sacred hairs, said to form multiple coils or rounds, are preserved in this temple. Devotees bath and offer worship to them, believing in their divine power to fulfill their wishes and protect the town. The annual Jatra is held around Ananta Chaturdashi Purnima in September, a 3-day festival where thousands come to witness and honor the sacred Jata. Joint rituals and seek Jata, joint rituals and seek blessings from the Lord Mahalingeshwara.
The Mahalingeshwar Jatra is one of the most important and sacred celebrations of the town, held every year in the honor of the Lord Mahalingeshwara. It usually takes place during the Ananta Chaturdashi Purnima in the month of September. This grand fair lasts for 3 days, bringing up thousands of devotees from surrounding villages and towns. First day, the Jatra begins with a special worship in the Mahalingpur temple. The priests perform Abhisheka, Alankara and other rituals to the Lord. The sacred Jata of the Lord Mahalingeshwara is worshipped and displayed. And this worshipping is considered as the most important ritual as the Jata is believed to be self-growing and miraculous. The grand procession takes place by music, chanting and performances, filling the town with a festive spirit. Second day, the Rathotsava, where the idol of the Lord Mahalingeshwara is taken around the town with the beautifully decorated chariot. Devotees pull the chariot with the devotion and feeling that it brings prosperity and well-being. The final day of the fair, the chariot will be pulled by the devotees from Mahalingeshwara temple to Chennagireshwara temple, where the idol of the Lord Mahalingeshwara kept for the whole day, and bring it back in the same chariot with devotion the next day to the Mahalingeshwara temple. It reflects the deep bond between the Mahalingpur people and the guardian Lord Mahalingeshwara. The Mahalingeshwar Jatra is not just a festival, but the symbol of the unity, faith and tradition. We feel an honor to introduce the history of entire Mahalingpur and Jatra. Thank you.